Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Standard Notes sync issues step by step. If your notes aren't syncing between your devices, the problem is usually related to your internet connection, account settings, or an outdated application. So let's get started. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Open a website or another online app to confirm your connection is working properly. If you're using Wi-Fi, try reconnecting or switching to another network if needed. Next, open Standard Notes and verify that you're signed in with the same account on all of your devices. Using different email addresses will prevent your notes from syncing correctly between devices. Now give the app a few moments to complete synchronization, then manually refresh the app or restart it if the latest notes don't appear. Sometimes simply closing and reopening the application can trigger a new sync request. If the problem continues, check whether you're using the latest version of Standard Notes. Install any available updates from the official website or your device's app store, then try syncing again. Keeping the app updated helps resolve bugs and improves compatibility. You should also review your account status and look for any error messages inside the app. If necessary, sign out of Standard Notes and sign back in to refresh your session. Just make sure your notes are fully synchronized before signing out to avoid losing unsynced changes. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Standard Notes sync issues and keep your encrypted notes updated across all of your devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next